Returning to wealthy coin, howdy mate. Last but not least, the CEO of Shiba Inu has warned you before. Upcoming SHIB publications. Over the past several days, Shiba Inu, the second most valuable dog-themed meme coin in the world based on market capitalization, has been consolidating between the 0.000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 The 50-day moving average of SHIB is still hovering at $0.00000001150, which acts as a ceiling for further price increases, while the 21, 100, and 200 DMAs all maintain their grip on the market. This video will discuss the most recent warning issued by the CEO of Shiba Inu. SHIB News has previously warned you to stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts. An expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. Some believe SHIB is ready to explode higher, even though its most recent trade volume has been trending upwards. Market capitalization for SHIB on Wednesday reached a remarkable $420 million before the day came to a close, according to data gathered by CoinGecko. That follows Tuesday's trade volumes, which hit a new record near $600 million. Not seen since mid-March. Strong price performance and a steady increase in SHIB trading volumes have been going on since the beginning of the year. Annual growth for Shiba Inu is almost 40%. Although SHIB has been performing well since the beginning of the year, it is still approximately 30% lower than its prior yearly highs in the $0.000000016 region. Nonetheless, SHIB surpassed the downward trend from this peak at the close of last month. Retesting these earlier yearly highs could be in the cards if it can emerge from the cloud of major moving averages, which are still serving as a drag, and rise above resistance in the mid $0.000000011. It should be a boon for Twitter that their logo is a Shiba Inu. Hope for the future of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is a good candidate for optimism pumping. Things related to SHIB, the metaverse, will begin to advance significantly in the upcoming weeks. In a recent message to the Shiba Inu community's Discord channel, which was shared by popular Shiba Inu advocate Lucy on Tuesday, Marcy Jastro, the lead of the Shiba Inu metaverse development team, remarked, Shibarium, the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution developed by Shiba Inu, aims to reduce transaction costs and lay the groundwork for a Web3 ecosystem tailored to Shiba Inus that can take advantage of the consensus layer's inherent security. The beta version of Shibarium was recently released. Major SHIB whales seem to be sitting on their tokens and not making a move, even though SHIB has taken a significant tumble from its earlier yearly highs around the $0.000000016 region. Based on on-chain data reported by Whale Stats, the top 100 Shiba Inu whales have been conducting almost no transactions each day since mid-February, down from 100s before. It appears that the whale population is still very strongly sentimental. It is unrealistic to expect SHIB to double from where it is now, at least in the near future. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu would skyrocket to over $47 billion if gains were 7 times. And SHIB soared to new heights in the region of the top $0.0000088 mark. SHIB's market cap would increase to more than $65.0 billion if its gains were 10 times as large. The company would then lose $0. If the U.S. Federal Reserve plans to cut interest rates significantly later this year to prevent a U.S. bank crisis-induced recession, and the Shiba Inu team keeps adding new features to the Web3 project's ecosystem, SHIB could easily double in value in the coming years. As the Shiba Inu price is stuck below the important one-day chart resistance level of $0.000001152 USD, one of the biggest SHIB whales is taking advantage of the dip to buy. The anonymous grand owner of the Shiba Inu, known as Blue Whale 0073, has reportedly continued his purchasing binge over the past 3 days, according to crypto tracking service Whale Stats. In a single transaction yesterday, Blue Whale 0073 purchased 148.78 billion SHIBs, which is roughly 1.65 million USD. According to Whale Stats, spent 229.96 billion SHIB, or around $2.58 million. The whale has spent an astounding 378.74 billion SHIB, or $4.23 million, on Shiba Inu in the past 72 hours. However, despite the mysterious SHIB investors' buying pressure, SHIB has failed to rise in response to market trends. However, Ethereum whales are still holding out hope that SHIB's price will continue to rise. According to Whale Analytics' most recent update at the end of March, SHIB is still the second most popular investment among ETH whales, behind stablecoins. The SHIB army has been requesting Something from Shiba Inu creator Ryoshi since the beginning when SHIB 0.01. Afterwards, Satoshi received it, and the two visionaries were both aware that the moment would come to supply exponential SHIB burns via Shibarium. Although many may not fully understand Shibarium's vision until it is implemented, Koyo Token has laid the groundwork and given a glimpse of what's to come. It is not the Koi smart contract automated 2% tax SHIB tax burn, but rather what Kintaro Koyo founder revealed on his Medium, that is burning through more than 6.1 billion SHIB tokens in March alone. The major burn is predicted in the next days, so the volume is expected to be billions of dollars. Be prepared to receive awards in the millions of dollars, accompanied by ongoing burns in the millions of dollars. How on earth is this ever possible? Many have wondered. For background, the SHIB market cap is currently $6,480,338,680 in circulation. Burning 99.999% of the total supply, or 588 trillion SHIB tokens, would be necessary to reach a target SHIB of $0.01. There are currently 589 trillion SHIB in circulation, with $6,449,038,346 worth of SHIB to burn at the current price of 0.0. With a present market capitalization of $6,452,000,000 would yield $0.01. As a first step, it will take the realization of the Ryoshi to Satoshi vision. Shibarium, not just the work of Koyo Token trading and financial service platform, to accomplish such a monumental goal. Let us shift our attention to the positive future of Koyo Token now. The platform's volume projection is in the billions of dollars. With a monthly trading volume of $1 billion and the addition of borrowing fees on perpetual trading platforms, they may be raking in over $20 million in Koyo revenue. A monthly loss of SHIB worth, conservatively, $10 million might be the outcome of this. Using this method for the next 12 months would result in the annual burning of SHIB worth $120 million. Around 109890000000000 SHIB tokens destroyed annually. Next, we must think about whether Shibarium will pay out 70% of all transaction costs. Kintaro affirmed in his message that there is a lot of traffic going into and out of the Koyo trading and financial service platform, and any true friend worth their salt would never engage in aggressive competition with their Shiba Inu allies. Therefore, we are pleased to announce that Koyo will use ShibaSwap exclusively for all trading on the Koyo trading platform and financial services protocol. This will help grow the value and volume of ShibaSwap Shibarium, which will ultimately benefit the Shiba ecosystem. There will be more volume and SHIB burns since all swaps on the Koyo platform will have an API to ShibaSwap. This is because all the benefits of swaps go back to ShibaSwap. Now think about how the Koyo trading platform is going to expand to include more Shibarium projects. These projects will be able to meet Satoshi standards because they will be bringing burns and the SHIB Doggy DAO Foundation to the platform, along with opportunities for venture capital. The ecosystems of these projects will contribute to the SHIB burn pool, and the possibility of Shibarium projects gaining massive trading volume increases the likelihood of them being listed on Tier 1 SECs. The plot and origins of Koyo Token are beginning to come together, with the beginnings of a Koi army that has vowed its devotion to the SHIB army and the beginnings of a platform that will play an important role in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. What this implies is that you have the chance to become a major player in the SHIB army's long-awaited objective to reach SHIB $0.01. Kintaro, founder of Koyo, says that there are no accidents. It is known that Ryoshi had a vision, and Satoshi mentions the moment when that vision, like a jigsaw puzzle, fits together. Is this the unspoken plan finally coming together to produce a work of art that is